Ready to elevate your camping game? Here are some essential camping hacks and survival techniques. First, find a flat, dry spot to set up your tent. Clear away any rocks or sticks. Always pitch your tent before dark. Foraging can be a lifesaver. Learn to identify edible plants and berries. Fishing is also a great way to find food. Safety is key. Always let someone know your plans. Carry a map and compass. Be aware of local wildlife. Pack weather-appropriate gear. Layers are crucial for staying warm. Waterproof clothing is a must. Don't forget the essentials. A good knife, a reliable lighter, and a first aid kit are must-haves. The best time to camp in the US is spring and fall. The weather is mild and the scenery is beautiful. Check out Yosemite, Yellowstone, and the Great Smoky Mountains. These spots offer stunning views and great trails. Happy camping!